Hello everyone, in this short lesson we are going to look at the phrasal verb to take over. And take over means to begin to take control of something or to replace something. We will look at some examples because when you have examples of how the phrasal verb is used, it can really help to understand how you can begin to use it in your active vocabulary. Example number 1. A multinational company has just taken over all of the local supermarkets. So you can imagine that the supermarkets were owned by a local company and the big multinational company gave the smaller company money to take over the smaller supermarkets. Another example could be when he retired from farming, his daughter took over the family farm. So he ran the farm, he was in charge of the farm until he decided to retire, and then his daughter took control of the family farm. And the last example that I have for you is the local pub has just been taken over by new management. Here you can see take over in the passive form. And in this case, the pub was owned or run by other management, and now the new managers have either paid to buy the pub or they have taken a new lease or contract to be in charge of this pub. Now they have control of the pub. So those are the examples that I have for you today. Why don't you use take over in an example sentence in the comment section below? I will give you some feedback so you can be sure that you are using it correctly. Thanks for listening and come back another day for a new phrasal verb.